Developer 786 here again, folks, with another unboxing video. Today we've got the brand new iPhone 13. Not just any iPhone 13. If you look closely, that's the 1TB version. Cha-ching. So let's get into unboxing this bad boy. So this is in space grey, as you can see. So I say space grey, graphite grey. Now, simplistic packaging, very thin, no charger, obviously. So let's get down to business. Let's pull these tabs. Right. Straight away, we're presented with the phone in graphite. Put that to the side. In here, we've got the lightning to USB-C cable. Got the typical Apple SIM ejecting tool, Apple stickers, and some other leaflets. Won't bother opening this up yet. Let's take a look at the phone itself. Let's get that sound on the go. Beautiful. And this is in graphite, so immediately you can see the size of those camera modules. Absolutely massive. And again, it's probably one of the best colors. I had a look, went down to the Apple store, did not like the alpine green color at all. It's quite a sickening mint looking color. Sierra blue didn't look too appealing either. And this one, absolute fan's favorite. It's going to look beautiful regardless. Yeah, so now I'll turn this on to use it for a couple of days and then come back with a real review. Hit the thumbs up, folks, and subscribe. Thanks very much.